said I loved you, but you let go. I waited for hours, but you never showed. You were all my heart knew, but that's all I held on to. But you let go. We met over coffee on 17th Street. As easy as that when two souls meet. We said I do for worse or better. Promised to hold on forever, but you let go. Time flew by like a thunderstorm. People change and it's nobody's fault. It's a numbing silence when no one talks, and all you hear is two hearts breaking, pain from the mistakes we're making. When you let go. I see your face down on 17th Street. You walk with her and not with me. You were all my heart knew. That is what I held on to. But you let go. You were all my heart knew. That is what I held on to. But you let go. Had me down for the count. I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control.